Welcome to physics class. In this video, you can find the solution for GATE Physics 2020. Question number 37. Consider a two-dimensional crystal with three atoms in the basis. The number of allowed optical branches and acoustic branches due to lattice vibrations are option A 2,4, option B 3,3, option C 4,2, option D 1,5. So in this question, they have given a two-dimensional crystal with three atoms in the basis, and they have asked us to find what is the number of allowed optical branches and acoustic branches due to lattice vibration. From Frohn dispersion relation, we know that for a p number of atoms, in case of two-dimensional, two acoustic branches will be there, and the number of optical branches will be 2p minus 2, where p is the number of atoms. So in this question they have given p is equal to 3. So acoustic branches m will be 2 and allowed optical branches n is equal to 4. So n comma m is equal to 4 comma 2. Answer is option C. Question number 38. The internal energy U of a system is given by U is equal to lambda v power minus 2 by 3 s square, where lambda is a constant of appropriate dimension. V and S denote the volume and entropy respectively. Which one of the following gives the correct equation of state of the system? Option A, PV power 1 by 3 divided by T square equal to constant. Option B, PV divided by T power 1 by 3 is equal to constant. P divided by V power 1 by 3 T equal to constant. Option D, P V power 2 by 3 divided by T is equal to constant. In this question, they have given an internal energy of a system and they have asked us to find the equation of state of the system. We know that first law of thermodynamics is du is equal to T ds minus P dv. So from this law, by keeping S as a constant, we can get P is equal to minus of dou u by dou v at constant S, and T is equal to dou u by dou s at constant v. So we have to find what is the partial derivative of u with respect to v and s. So first we will find P. P is equal to minus lambda minus 2 by 3 into b power minus 2 by 3 minus 1 into s square. So P is equal to lambda 2 by 3 v power minus 5 by 3 s square. We will keep this as a equation 1. And in the similar way, we will be finding what is T. T is equal to 2 lambda v power minus 2 by 3 s. So we will be finding what is T square also. T square is equal to 4 lambda square v power minus 4 by 3 s square. That we will keep it as equation 2. So divide 1 by 2. That's equal to P square divided by T square is equal to 1 divided by 6 lambda v power 1 by 3. So we will be getting P v power 1 by 3 divided by T square is equal to 1 by lambda. We will keep 1 divided by 6 lambda as a constant. So we will be getting P v power 1 by 3 divided by T square is equal to constant. So the equation of state of the system is P v power 1 by 3 divided by T square is equal to constant. That is option A. Please subscribe the channel. If you have any queries, please write in the comment section.